Welcome back. In this video, we're making mac and cheese burgers. For the garlic aioli, mayo, garlic, sriracha, lemon juice, and sugar. Season with salt and pepper, mix until combined. Cover and place into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. For the mac and cheese, into a small pot, over low heat, pour in heavy cream, bring it up to a gentle simmer, then add the cheese of your choice. I'm using cheddar jack and mozzarella. Once the cheese has melted, season with salt and pepper, pour over elbow pasta, cover, and place into the refrigerator for 3 hours, or until set. Into a frying pan over medium heat, add your pasta, top it off with some more cheese, hit it with a splash of water, cover with a second bowl, or until the cheese has melted. To assemble, burger bun, the sriracha aioli, burger patty, then add the mac and cheese, some more sriracha aioli on the top half of the bun, crown your burger, and there we have it, a mac and cheese burger. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.